Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to scan apps on Play Store. Watch this video till the very end to properly understand the video. Without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, open Play Store app on your device. Here, tap on the top right corner here on the account. Now, here you will find a Manage App and Device option. Tap on it. Tap on No Harms app found. Here you will get the option of scan. Tap on it. This will scan. Wait for some time. The scanning is completed. Now you can see no harmful apps found. So here we are done. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.